Cornish hen that was cooked in a watermelon. Thank you, Tommy. You did a great job. And then he also made the traditional Cornish hen, just cooked in the oven and seasoned up deliciously. So we are about to taste this for you so that we can tell you how it came out. We showed you the cooking process, so we're gonna taste it and we're gonna let you know how it tastes. And along with that, we have some string beans. I have the gravy here that Thomas made. Yummers. Look at that. Let's hurry up and put that on our plate. And I have water to drink.
Hey, this is apple juice. This is not beer. This is apple juice.
Apple juice, guys. Okay, so let's see what this tastes like. It looks wonderful. Look at that. Look at how tender it is. I want to see what it tastes like. Let's get a bite together. We're gonna do a thumbnail and get a bite together. Okay? Let's see if I can get mine out.
I thought you was gonna eat off the other one.
Well, I want to see what this tastes like too, and then I will eat off the other one.
Okay.
I'll just take a bite off of it. And let's see how it tastes, okay?
Here's to you.
Here's to you.
Here's looking at you, kid.
Here's looking at you.
That's real good. Look
Guys, it is so tender. Let's put some of this.
Gravy. That's good. That is so good, isn't it?
It is delicious.
I gotta try the other one.
I want to try it with the gravy. Let's try it with the gravy. Oh my goodness.
I'm a dark meat guy, so I like this legs and thigh.
Oh, this gravy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm just,
Remember the gravy juice came from the watermelon. From the watermelon Cornish hen. We made the gravy from that juice. It's kind of like sweet, but it is really good.
Man, this is a dish that you would pay.
You pay a lot of money for this.
Look at how that's just falling off the bone. Oh my goodness. Oh.
That's so good. Hey,
that is so good.
How about that other thing over there?
Yeah, we're going to try that one and see how that one came out.
We didn't bring the salt out here, did we?
No, we didn't.
Oh, well, who needs it?
Yeah, we shouldn't need no salt anyway, right? Do you have your bread? I took your bread. How did I take your bread?
I don't know.
You got some sour cream that you're going to put on yours?
Yeah, but I can't open it.
Oh, it's so hard to open.
Yeah, you had been false teeth, they would have fell out, see? These are the real McCoy. These choppers are
string
for real,
beans are good.
String beans are good? Where's my fork? What happened? You got two of them over there? Oh my goodness. Got two forks over there.
We got to taste this. This is so good. Look at this. This is beautiful. Here. Look how that one falls off the bone. Look at that. You want to taste that, Grandpa?
I'm eating this now.
I thought you said you got to taste this. I want to see how this one tastes.
I need some salt. I don't care what you say.
Okay.
I'm going to have some because that's for the potato.
Yummy, yum.
That's for the
I'm going to go get some salt. Be right back, guys. Let's get some salt.
I'll keep them company.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll be right back then.
Beat it up.
All right.
I guess she's moving fast as she can. That stuff is pretty good stuff here. Wow, I didn't know it would be that good. I took a chance, man. I didn't know what's going to happen with this, but I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to try new stuff, you know? That's the only way you learn. You know, if you don't try new things, I know I want to try this garlic bread. I love me some garlic bread. There she is. Shh. Don't say nothing.
Sorry, let me get in.
I told you to be quiet when we saw you coming. I'm just talking about you.
Here's the salt, baby. You were talking about me. What were you saying about me?
I'm afraid to take the salt now since I was talking about you. Here's the salt, baby. What do you mean by that? What's in that salt? Yeah, it's a salt, baby. I told you I was talking about you. I don't know if I want the salt. I don't know if I want the salt. You take some first. You take some of the salt first.
I am. I'm gonna put some on my potato.
Put some on mine too.
Want me to put some on there for you?
Oh yeah.
This is so good, guys. Try to. Oh, let's see. Let me taste this. See how this tastes. The potato, but it's not about the potato. It's about these Cornish hens. It's good. My string beans. I bet. Some string beans. You can put them on the side over there by you if you like. Oh, this.
Set my toast.
Yeah. But it was right there.
Why are you eating my food?
Because it was right there together. It was on top, so I figured we'd just share it.
I'm wondering about her sometime.
Look at this. I got food all over my clothes. I'm a mess. Man, this is delicious. And this gravy on here.
Where's that gravy on?
Here it is, right here in the front. Put some more in here.
I dip it.
Oh, dip it. Yeah.
That's what you think I'm playing around.
Yummers. Watermelon chicken, guys. It's delicious.
The only thing wrong with that, one thing wrong with that. It's watermelon's Cornish hen, not chicken.
Watermelon, okay. Watermelon Cornish hen, guys.
Not chicken.
This is so good. But you know what? You can do all kinds of things in it, can't you? Pork, right?
No,
Fish.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Some things just won't work with watermelon, you know what I mean?
This is so
It's
good.
just like dipping sauce, man, instead of gravy, you know?
Great dipping sauce.
Look,
It's so good.
wow, I just wish some of these
Falls off the bone. Dipping
I
sauce.
wish they
Look
could.
at that.
I wish they could really taste some of
I
this
wish
food,
they could
you know?
taste it.
I wish they could taste this food.
I be wanting my karma babies to taste the food so bad.
I can cook anything. I don't care.
That's why I tell them that take a bite. Take a bite. It's so good.
What's happening over here with this thing?
You got
Leg.
the sour cream all over your hands.
Look at all. You know how I eat. That's the way I roll. I put it on there for a reason, so I have something to lick.
Oh my goodness. This is so good. And economical. Remember $2 and something? $2.35 or something like that, each Cornish hen. That's a really good buy. That's a very good deal.
I don't know how much more of this I can eat. Yeah, it looks like it's getting down to the wire here. I don't know.
That's okay, it's getting down to the wire. That's because we've been eating so much all day, guys. But did you try this? Let me try some of this in your watermelon sauce. See how that tastes, huh?
Yeah, I guess. I think I'm stuffed. I can't go no more.
This is so good. I cannot
I
believe
can buckle
how.
my belt and I still couldn't eat no more.
So what do you think about the watermelon
I would do
Cornish
it again.
hen?
I would do it again. It's good. It's got the time. It's a time-consuming project.
Well, you just put it in the oven and just leave it.
Well, that's a mistake a lot of people make. You know, you got to pay attention when you cook it.
You got to pay attention, but you shouldn't. Like you didn't take the cover off of it. You just kind of left it in there. How long did you cook it for?
I don't know, 4 hours, I guess.
About 4 hours. And these are Cornish hens, so. And he was able to get 2 of them inside of the watermelon, guys. That turned out really good.
Juice is good. Sauce is good.
Sauce is amazing. We're going to save that sauce because I'm sure we're going to be able to find something else to use that sauce for. I bet it'll make a nice vinaigrette to kind of go to go over like a to go over salad. I bet it will, right?
Oh, probably will.
I'm stuffed too. These things are little, but
when you're old, you can't eat as much as you used to.
yeah, and they're little, but we've been eating all day because when we cut that watermelon open, it was a Smith County watermelon, and I'm telling you guys, we ate almost the whole watermelon. Smith County, Mississippi watermelon, and we really went into that watermelon and we ate a lot of it.
That's good.
So I'm stuffed from that, but this is an amazing meal. I really enjoyed it. I'm about, excuse me.
Yeah, excuse
Ooh. I'm still eating and Grandpa stopped already, huh? Guys,
You get full, you gotta stop, right? So
here I go again. I forgot to tell you guys. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button.
Why you look at me when you're saying that?
Because you're going to say the other part.
I don't know the other
Say
part.
like and share.
Like and share.
So you can say like and share. You said it before.
I didn't.
You did say like before,
When?
and when I have it on
Bet.
camera.
Bet to you.
Bet to you.
Yeah, you put it.
Find the video where Grandpa said
I never said that.
like. You may not have
That
said
was
like
me to
and
me.
share. You said like because I looked over at you and you said it. So, guys, I'm stuffed. Grandpa's stuffed, right?
I'm stuffed.
So,
I'm stuffed like a duck.
or Cornish hen.
Yeah.
Guys,
You gotta
remember.
sharpen up on your jokes, man. You know.
Well, my jokes, I've never been big on jokes. You've always been big on jokes.
Yeah, the good thing about a Cornish hen, everybody have your own Cornish hen, The price is reasonable, it's not very expensive. No added hormones and stuff like that.
How much you think each one costs approximately?
Less than $3.
Yes.
Less than $3, and what are you gonna buy for less than $3, I like it, it's really good. Yeah. Would I buy it? Would I do it again? Yeah, I would do it again. Yeah.
Awesome. What about your gravy that you made?
The gravy, that was awesome, man. I didn't expect that to come out like that. The gravy, what she's talking about, I used the gravy, the juice from the watermelon and the Cornish hen to make gravy with. And that turned out real good. It had a sweet and salty taste with, with a little bit of a kick to it, a little heat, little sweetness. So it was really good. You taste something in there, but you couldn't recognize it as being watermelon. It was really good.
Remember, guys, how others treat you is their karma. How you respond, my babies, is your karma. So guess what? We'll see you in the next
Video.
Bye-bye, guys. Peace and out. Oh.